Today is the Adelante Mujer Latina conference. It's the 24th annual conference, and it's an important event that PCC has been very proud to partner along with the Adelante Youth Alliance in order to have our, especially Latina young women students, participate in different educational and career-focused workshops in order to give them a chance to meet new mentors and really start this career and college journey.
Welcome to the 2018 Adelante Mujer Latina Conference. Adelante has opened so many doors for myself and the other team members, such as networking and internship opportunities, and most importantly, college help. Adelante has given us the opportunity to find our paths to college and to a better life, giving us role models and support.
Today is a day full of youth and Latina women empowerment, and it's a really wonderful opportunity for our young women to gain exposure to the different opportunities that they have and envision a future that they may not otherwise have envisioned.
It's important for them to hear our stories and for us to tell our stories so that young women can learn from us and they can continue in our path.
We just congratulate you for being a success right now, for getting up so early and being a part of this great event. You are all in great company. There are 2,500 young ladies here representing schools from throughout Southern California.
This is an opportunity where they can meet empowering and motivating Latinas that look just like them and come from where they come from.
I would have loved to have something like this when I was young. It wasn't something that I knew existed. I had no role models in terms of Latinas in the science fields or at master's or doctorate levels. Having mentors in a variety of fields or different types of women is important because it really opens the door and exposes students to areas that they might never have thought of. There's so much more out there for people, and by being able to show the diversity of opportunities out there for them really opens the doors for these young girls so that they can see that their opportunities are limitless.
Our young girls see themselves in them, so they become their role models.
It's really cool to see Latina women who have gone on to become professionals in their field come back and give advice and help Latina women get to where they want to be.
This conference gives them that space and that motivation to ask those questions so then they can go on to great things in life for their family, for themselves, and for the community that they come from.
I'm the first one to go to college, and we were really unaware of what's going on. And I didn't have much of an idea at first of what I wanted to do. I just knew I wanted to help people. I'm going to college now. Adelante gave me the idea of what to do.
My mom came to the second conference back in 1995, and she was with my sister, and my sister was 2 years old, and never did they imagine that this would continue to ripple out so many great effects. It's just wonderful to know that there's a community out there that are rallying for one another to succeed.
This conference offers Latinas a safe environment to be, to ask, to see other empowered Latinas. And my biggest lesson to them is always saying that once they make it to the top, to not forget to send the elevator back down.
Learning to persist in spite of the challenges, I think that's the key to what we want the girls to come away with. It's really a matter of hope and belief in themselves.
I think the future of Adelante is definitely bright. We see each year getting bigger and bigger, and I think the need is bigger and bigger. So more people need to learn about what is going on with Adelante.
Your past does not define you, it prepares you. Each one of you was born with a gift, a passion. You have to find that passion.
When you get a great education and take on your leadership roles, you lift up your families and your communities and make them and yourselves much stronger.
The only way that we advance as a community is if we bring other women with us. So take everything that you learned today, go out, go get it, y adelante.
We look to all of you to make our world a better place. I am confident that this conference will ignite your curiosity and inspire you to believe in yourselves and in your dreams.